Hello folks, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Felix and today I'm going to be showing you how to download a certain file or different softwares from a website called Getting to PC. So basically when you open your browser, let me just start with this fresh, try to open a new tab, a new incognito tab, then simply type on your search bar Getting to into pc.com. Should lead you directly to the website. So with this website, you basically find different categories of software, from productive software, business softwares, or entertainment softwares, which you can be able to find and search here. And to do that, you use the search bar here, and then you can literally just look for any software you want to use. But for the purposes of today's tutorial, we want to download a software called IDM, which is the Internet Download Manager. So I think when we scroll here from our search list, we have to look the one with which specifically tells us that this is the Internet Download Manager. So if we download, this one was uploaded here 6 months ago. So you just need to simply click on it. Then once you click on it, to give you a description of the software, what it can do and how you can possibly utilize it or for personal use within your own computer. So most of the softwares which are downloaded from this site, when you want to access the zipped file, they download as a zipped file to be compressed so that they can be manageable and stored on this site. When you want to access that zip file after you download it, you need to use this password, which is 123. You simply need to enter it, and then you can actually see a couple of reviews also from here on how the software performs. So in this case, we can just quickly go and say download full setup. You click, opens a new tab, and then it should show a pop-up showing you that it's now downloading. If not, it should give you a way to kind of manually download it. So there we go, here's the pop-up. So what I need to do is to simply save this on my downloads. As you can see, this is a very small file, which is about 11 megabytes, 10.8 megabytes. So it's not very big. You can wait for that. So since I say this is a zip folder, we'll need to use either 7Z or WinRAR to open this archive. If you don't have 7Z or WinRAR, you need to simply go to your search bar again and search for 7Z, like so. All right. Okay, so in this case, let me not use incognito, but let me just use a normal window to search for 7Z. All right, there you go. So this is the website where you get the 7Z. You download on this page. You need to download the 64-bit version if your computer is a 64-bit version. If it's a 32-bit version, you need to download similarly a 32-bit version. So you download by simply clicking download here, and then it will also give you a pop-up, and then you save to your local file. But in my case, I already have this file installed on my computer. I simply need to go to my downloads, and then I'll find that Internet Download Manager software. And then what I'll need to do is I'll need to open this archive by simply double clicking, or maybe instead of double clicking, I'll need to open with. Click where it says open with. It should show us 7Z. I'm using Windows 11, so let me go to show options, and then here, if you're using Windows 10 or 7, it should show you 7-zip directly without saying show more options. So when I go to 7-zip, then I need to extract files here, and then when I click extract files, should prompt me for a password. Then I need to enter 123, which is what we saw on the other website. So, all right. In this case, this has been detected as a malware by my Windows Defender antivirus. So I need to quickly go and turn this defense system off. Defender, my local security systems, they will quickly either delete that file or put it in quarantine. So I go to privacy and security, click on Windows security. And then after I do that, I need to disable my firewall. Here, virus and threat protection, manage settings, turn off real-time protection, turn off cloud service delivery, turn off all the security features here. And then I think we should try this again. Go back to my downloads and open again, show more options. 7-zip, extract files here. Enter my password 123. Then I just need to replace all those other things. So once it's done extracting, the file should appear as an extracted file somewhere nearby here. Let's see how it shows. So I think another option we can use is just to allow, because it's saying they've quarantined some components of this folder we downloaded. So we just need to allow this on device. Then I think that should be okay. So let's see where the folder is. Okay, let me just say sort by type. Then I'm just trying to look for that folder we've just extracted. Okay, just a second. Okay, compressed. Alright, what I can do, let me just do this quickly. Let me say sort by date modified. Okay. Downloads, let me just quickly do this again. Extract files here. Yes to all. I can't seem to find where the files are after extracting. So let me just extract quickly to another folder. Extract files. Extract files. Okay. All right, there we go. So once I open here, then I simply need to, it says IDM, this default file, it's an executable file. Then I accept terms of the agreement and then install that quickly. Then click finish. Then after I do that, I then need to go where it says crack. I apply this crack. Here it's a page file. Just double click on it and then click crack. And then finish. Okay. You can also take time to read the README. So the instructions are to just copy page to installation folder and run it. Okay. So either way, you can run it outside the installation folder, but you can also copy the page and run it within the installation folder. So in this case, let me test my IDM if it's working. Close. So I think we're good to go. Let's see. Yeah. So basically, I think we're good to go. That should be now correct and functional. And by the way, this is just for personal use, just for use at your home without any commercialization. Because for commercialization might need certain licenses and software to use this software legally. I hope this has been clear. Watch the space for more tutorials and take care for now.